So these are some of the issues that you face when trapping right on a river like this. Again, learning process. But I'm on the creek here, and like I told you yesterday, it snowed 3-4 inches. Well, that's great in one sense because it covers up all your tracks. You got a fresh pallet to work with. But when you're on these creeks trapping, the weight of the snow on the river creates overflow, which is all this water. The snow comes down, it pushes the water out of the sides of the banks and creates overflow, which you never know how deep this overflow is going to be. It may be inches deep, it may be feet deep. So it's pretty dangerous. But the rivers, the edges of the rivers create beautiful corridors for the animals to travel on. So you want to set your traps there. Well, this is one of my traps I showed you the other day, the cubby set I got. I chose to let them sit overnight in the snow, because the tracks were covered up. I thought it'd be a good idea, but now, I'm dealing with the overflow. And what happens, this overflow, it comes up and then it freezes. Once the water comes up, it freezes. And if you see, so now my trap is frozen into the water, and I'm gonna be careful with this because it's still a live trap, but I just want to show you. See, it's the jaws of the trap now are frozen in the water. See, I can't even set. See, if an animal came in here now, it wouldn't. They're frozen. It's completely. I'm gonna get it here, but I just want to see if it will set. See, look at that. The trap is tripped. The trap is tripped, and yet the jaws that smack down are frozen into the water or into the thing. So I've obviously, I'm gonna have to pull all my traps that are set like this now. It's just part of it, and it's part of the learning curve out here. I would love to know a trapper. You could learn so much, 10 years worth of experience, if I could go out 2 days with a trapper that sets winter traps, winter sets, and just learn from them. But I don't have that. So I've got to figure all this shit out myself, and it just takes some time. It's going to happen. I mean, it's just a matter of time. I mean, it's going to happen. But the whole river, there's overflow everywhere now on both sides of the bank. So I got a lot of bad traps right now. So, just part of it. But I got new snow, so I'm just gonna figure it out. We'll get it.